thing. Some people are like, it doesn't hurt at all. Some people are like, it's really painful. There's definitely different types of laser that you can get.
Okay, so as Molly May has mentioned in this video, she does have laser hair removal. Now, she's also mentioned that her partner, Tommy, is not too bothered by bodily hair, which I think is great. It's very inclusive. And I think oftentimes women and men are quite happy to have hair on their bodies. It's natural and it's normal. However, if it bothers you and you want to have hair removal done, then laser hair removal is definitely one way to get permanent hair reduction. So getting down to basics, there are two types of laser hair removal. You have IPL, which you may have heard of, and that's intense pulse light hair removal. And then you have laser, which is more commonly used and talked and spoken about as well. So IPL is more of a diffuse heat source, which kind of hits the skin, picks up melanin, and then destroys the hair follicle. Whereas laser hair removal is where there's more of a focused beam at a certain wavelength, which again hits the hair follicle and removes it that way. Now, for IPL, it's important that you have a certain skin type and hair type for it to work. So for IPL, normally Fitzpatrick skin type 6, so darker skin types will not be suitable because the intense pulse light cannot actually distinguish between the skin and the hair follicle, which can result in burns. Also, with lighter hair types, so if you've got blonde, grey, or red hair, again, the light may not pick this up. So again, you may not be suitable for IPL, in which case you may be looking at more laser-based treatments for hair removal. In clinic, we have the Soprano Ice Titanium laser, which has lots of different wavelengths and is a lot more inclusive. So it can work on different skin tones. It also can work on tanned skin. So it's a good option. It's not suitable for everyone, but again, you can have a consultation to decide and see whether it's suitable for you. There are also at-home devices that you can use for hair reduction. These are IPL-based devices, and there's quite a few on the market. The newest one, and the one that I love, is the IPL technology by Foreo. It's called Peach 2, and it has a 3 times larger treatment window, and it allows you to cover a surface area quite quickly across the body. At-home devices like this are quite cost-effective, but of course are not as powerful as in-clinic lasers. But given the cost of living crisis, one may want to just invest in an at-home device. You can use it as regularly as you like to try and capture any sparse hair growth.